So today I'm going to, hey everybody, today I'm going to clean up the bedroom. Yesterday, my son-in-law came over and helped me move some boxes from this room, and we put them back there in what's now going to be the storage room. And so now I have to come and dust the walls and wash the walls and prep this room for painting. There's still stuff I have to get out of here, and oh my goodness, this is going to be a major job. Yeah, it's kind of noisy because the air conditioner is noisy, but it's 100 degrees outside and I need the air. I would love to just open up all this dust and stuff, but I'm gonna don my mask, put my mask on, and get the dusting and get to moving stuff around. It's coming together. It's coming together. Let's see if I can turn the camera around. No, the camera's not going around. I think it's taking still shots. I don't know how to do this. This is a new phone, y'all. I have a new Samsung. So since I can't turn it around, I'll just do it like this. Sorry for my hand being in the way. I'll just put it up here. I'm trying to document what I'm doing as I go along. Oh, I know what I can do. I'll just set it there. Go to work. Spiders. Got the dusting one. A bag is over my head. My safety glasses so the dust won't get in my eye. They're clear. Let me turn out that light. And I have my gloves. Yes. So here we go. I gotta get the step stool. Oh, here it is. Okay, so